So hi guys. So Friday market was very bad or very good for the people who was like interested in taking 30 points and just leaving the market. So yeah, it was Humpty Dumpty only up and down, up and down. So let's see what can happen tomorrow. So technically we'll see exactly what can happen tomorrow in our market. So as in year ending है, अगर premium if the wick is dropped down, wick is going down, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. That's the logic. So we'll just see like technically कल का narrow CPR है, is ascending CPR. If the candle is opening above that, so yeah, it is in positive mode. If the candle is opening below this, then you can say that it is like trend reversal is happening. Likewise, you can say. So narrow CPR hai, but the distance between ye dono, the previous day high line and R1 is like little bit, like thoda sa movement aayega. Likewise, you can say that a little bit of movement can happen. Not exactly a sideway according to the Nifty. And Friday Nifty was positive and BN was negative. So that is what the combination. So the first candle logic, if the first candle is opening over here tomorrow, if it doesn't break R1, it will go back to the CPR. The same logic, if the candle is opening at previous day low line, if it doesn't breaks below that, it will go back to the CPR. So simple CPR logic. So ज़्यादा नया नहीं, but narrow CPR, a trend can happen. A little bit of trend can happen. That's what it tells. So technically, I don't want to see it. Like उतना कुछ ज़्यादा दिख नहीं रहा. ये narrow CPR है. So support and resistance. So 21,300 will act as a very good supporter. So 21,300 will act as a very good support, and if it allows to go up, maybe 21,400 or 21,500 or maybe nearby 5, the 50% A mark. This is what I'm expecting. Agar aaya to around 21,500, and if it just breaks down below 21,324, then you can expect 21,231 or jaldi se agar gir gaya सुबह like in the morning agar 9,721 toda, then you can expect maybe वही favorite figure 21 case to watch out. So that is technically what you can see in Nifty Baba. We'll move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, that's an engulfing CPR. Bank Nifty mein, that's an engulfing CPR. So BN is telling that some good movement can happen. So engulfing है, कुछ बड़ा blast हो रहा है, नहीं आ रहा, we don't know, but there's an engulfing CPR. But याद रखना, इसके ऊपर ही trending होएगा. The candle is above previous day high line, then only you can see the trending on the upside. Or the candle is below this, and it should break S1, then only can expect a good moment at the top bottom. Or on the first candle logic wise. Remember guys, technically I'm telling you, first candle logic dimag mein bitha lena. If the first candle is opening somewhere over here, and if it doesn't break S1, it will go back to the CPR. The first candle is opening over here. If it doesn't break previous day high line, it will go back to the CPR. If you know this concept, use the jail bar ka logic at that time. And then yes, you can get it around 20-30 points in the morning when the first candle starts. याद रखना. So white is there, white CPR, you can say that white है, engulfing है, Nifty में narrow है, so maybe trendy है. So now BN has to support. If the BN supports, then yeah, Nifty maybe can give you something. That's all. So here, so what are the major resistance and support? Major resistance, as I told, 48 psychological resistance है. नीचे आया, इसके नीचे अगर candle इसके ऊपर गया, then the aggression will start tomorrow. And if it just drops down below this, maybe you can say that 47 psychological figure again it can touch. That's what I can feel in Bank Nifty. So this is what the technically I feel ये levels के अंदर नाचेगा. So shankically what I feel, I will tell you. Okay. So shankically what I feel is like maybe पहला candle it might be a big red. फिर ऐसे धीरे धीरे रो के it can go to some point. सीधा यहाँ से एक झटका. Then maybe directly coming down. Sudden movement. Then aisa. Then aisa. Then again aisa. So I'm expecting a AW pattern. Tomorrow I'm expecting a AW pattern. This is what my expectation is of the market. But don't blindly, अंधविश्वासी मत बनो. Is it clear? अंधविश्वासी मत बनो Shanky का. Just see the logic. चल रहा है, नहीं चल रहा है. Then see what I tell in the morning at 9-7 aggression hai ki nahi market mein. So in that scenario, and you have everything. You have CPR, you have bulb and arrow, line indicator hai, you have cobra, you have jail bar, सब कुछ दिया है. वो भी लगा के बैठो और सुबह अगर like sudden aggression comes, a big red candle or a big green candle, चुपचाप बैठने का 10-15 तक जाने का, खुद का चाय बनाने का, बन मस्का पाव लगाने का, खाने का और आराम से बैठने का. बिकॉज लेट द मार्केट सेटल. मार्केट एक बार सेटल होने के बाद और इतना भी ज्यादा खुजली होता है इन द रेड कैंडल टू टेक अ ट्रेड, You can go with a paper trade. So what happens is, like, if you're taking a paper trade, so your first trade will be in loss in paper trade, and then enter with your real trade, one lot or two lot, so that once that candle opens, after once you make a loss, then only you know that हाँ ये trend हो सकता है, वो trend हो सकता है. So better पहले paper और pen पे trade मारो, उसमें loss करो, फिर actual trade मिलेगा, उसमें profit करो. That's what I can say. And don't blindly follow any diagram. Follow the rules, logic. If it says yes, then it's yes. Or don't blindly. मैंने बोला था, उसने बोला था, doesn't work. If you know the practicality of CPR, it predicts the market. That's all I can say. And yeah, and maybe Black Panther या Kaju will be risky, but देखते हैं. अगर कल कोई Kaju आया, so then you can go ahead with that. Or else maybe. And one more thing, guys. Day after tomorrow, expecting a big jump in the market. That's what my feeling says. Jump नहीं हुआ तो गिरेगा. So एक बड़ा game है next maybe day after tomorrow. Wednesday on BN expiry, a big game can be played. That's what my feeling says. So I am expecting a big upside movement, but depends. अपना बाजार पागल है, so कुछ भी हो सकता है. But I am expecting a big jump in the market day after tomorrow. But depends. If I am telling you day after tomorrow कुछ होने वाला है, so उसके लिए तो अपने पास है ना protection. What is our protection? ये है हमारा पहला protection because it gave 200 points. Second protection बताता हूँ. Second protection our favorite. Yeah, Kaju if it comes. Bye guys. And do comment and let me know Friday को क्या हुआ. So is that snake pattern which I gave you? Snake was like very aggressive. So did you make a good one on that with your analysis, or you skipped the trade and अपना capital बचा? That's very important. And yeah, अपना as usual hero. And 30 days to go for Goa Seminar. So year is ending. उसके बाद hardly maybe 22 or 23 days for the Goa Seminar. Bye guys. See you.